Midnight on my screen, you crawl out the glow. Pixel teeth, sugar sweet, but you bite my soul. Yeah. Ash on my tongue from the words I send, tapping out love like a punishment. You wear my fears like a velvet dress, smiling in glitches right into my chest. Candy colored eyes but they leak red rain. You call me baby then you say my name like a graveyard hymn in a nursery tone. I'm scared of the dark but you live in my phone. Porcelain ghost in my phone. Say you need me, never let me go. Every I love you feels like a hex. Kiss on the screen, claws in my neck. Porcelain ghost in my head, sleeping beside me under my bed. I keep you close cause I'm scared to be free. So haunt me, haunt me, haunt me. You laugh in loops till my spine goes cold. You trace my veins like the lines of coke. Got my heart in a jar on your bedroom shelf. You say I'm protected from my broken self. Ink on the mirror spelling out my guilt. Every bad habit you help me build. You don't want healing, you want my decay. You say you're mine and I like it that way. Yeah. Porcelain ghost in my phone. Say you need me, never let me go. Every I love you feels like a hex. Kiss on the screen, claws in my neck. Porcelain ghost in my head, sleeping beside me under my bed. I keep you close cause I'm scared to be free. So haunt me, haunt me, haunt me. You hum my trauma like a lullaby. Soft little knives in a sugar sky. I try to block you, but you're in my blood. You whisper forever and I mouth it back.